Well, hi everybody. Let's go over time cards on the mobile app. So whether it's a phone or a tablet, you'll be using the mobile app. And to get to your time cards, you're going to click the main menu, which is the three-bar menu up here in the upper right. I'm going to click that and select time cards. Your menu is going to look different because the administrator will most likely turned off a number of menu items to make it easier for you to use. And you will come down to the plus button to create a new card. Your administrator may have also set it up so when you log into Contractor Foreman, it takes you straight to your time card. But here we can start a crew time sheet, a crew time card, or the employee card, which is what we're going to focus on in this menu or in this video. So we're going to hit the plus button. We're going to click employee time card. That's going to start our new card. You don't have to put your name in there. It knows who you are by your login. And shows you a map where you're at when you're clocking in. So all you have to do is select your project location. So we're going to select our project screen. And I'm going to click a project. It puts a project in there. If you're working on service tickets, you'll see the service tickets. If you're not working on service tickets, you will not see that field there. So then next is going to select the cost code. So which cost code are you working on? So we select that field and we select the cost code. Now all I have to do is hit start. So it's simple. I'm selecting where am I working, selecting cost code, what am I doing, and I'm going to hit my start button. This has now started my time card. During the course of the day, as you take breaks, morning break or lunch break, you're simply going to hit pause. It's going to ask you, are you sure? You're going to say yes. And it's now taken a break. And you can see down here, Rob Bruce took a break. Also, when I clocked in, showed what project I was on and what cost code I selected. So it's going to keep track of everything you did during the day. So now our lunch break, whatever, is over, and I'm going to hit resume. I want to start my card, yes. Now it's going to tell us Rob Bruce resumed work. So it's going to keep a record of everything that I did during the day. If I need to change jobs, maybe after lunch I went to a different job, don't stop your time card. Do not stop your time card and start a new one. Simply come up to project location and select your new project from the pop-up. So we'll grab a new one. And then maybe I'm doing a different cost code because I'm on a different job, so I'm going to change the cost code as well. So I change the cost code, and we have a note field here. And what's handy is on the phone, you can just tap in the note field, then tap the microphone button and speak into the phone, and it will translate into the note field. So then when you're done, you're going to hit apply. And so now it shows again down here. There's the new job I clocked into, and there's the new cost code that I clocked into. So if it's at the end of the day, or maybe I've changed a couple of things up here because I did work on another cost code. So we'll select that one. So there's what I finished my day doing. Shows again down here that I changed that cost code. And so now it's the end of the day and I'm going to hit stop. Now, depending on how your administrator has it set up, you may be asked this question. Did you have an injury today? If I say yes, then I have to fill that out. That's a required field at that point. And again, I have another note field. So again, I can tap in there, hit the microphone button on my keypad, and just speak, and it'll translate in. Or I just say no, hopefully the case, still do a task, and then I'm going to clock out. Now, after I've clocked out, a couple of things may happen. Maybe I forgot to clock in, so I need to change my clock in time. So I hit the blue button to modify time card. Ask me if I want to modify it. I'm going to say yes. And then I'm going to click whatever line item that needs to be modified. So I come up here, change my time. I could even say, oh, I selected the wrong project or wrong cost code. And I can also add a missed entry. Really works about the same way. So I click add missed entry and I set the time. So add a missed break or add missed project and cost code change. Select whatever it is I need to do and make my changes. It's all relatively very simple, very easy to use. Can vary a little bit based on how your administrator has set up the time cards. If they want you to verify that the time is correct, you'll click the verify time button. Otherwise, a supervisor or maybe somebody in the office will verify the time on your time cards. So that's how to run a time card in Contractor Foreman. Thanks for checking out the video, and I hope that helped. Have a great day.